Hello everybody and welcome to the ninth exercise of this class. This time I want to talk to you about the essence of the things, so about using minimalism to learn. And as Richard Bach said, the simplest things are often the truest. So the exercise is very simple, just choose a subject and photograph it in a minimalist way. It means take away everything that is not the essence of your subject. Try to isolate the subject, try to use the composition to make it the most simple possible. That's an exercise that is essential to learn to understand quickly what is the essence of a subject and what is important and is essential to take a photograph. Usually when we go around and take pictures, we are in an environment that has a lot of things around, but sometimes we don't need a lot of elements in our images. We just need that single element, that minimalistic element that create the photograph. Minimalism is a kind of movement that try to simplify everything, even your life. There are people think that you have to live with nothing, but I don't go so deep in this exercise. The thing is, in photography, try to use a minimalistic style, so no other elements, just your subject, possibly in black and white or with very simple colors, not distracting, and try to take pictures that are minimalistic. This is important, so you will learn to individuate the soul and essence of subject as soon as you see it. The exercise is simple. It's very fast to explain, nothing more than that. A subject, a minimalistic style. As usual, please share your images and share your stories in the page, in the project page, and we will be able to discuss further and explore more how this exercise can improve your photography. So, do your homework and see you later for the next exercise. Thank you very much.